Did you know some foods become dangerous when reheated? Let's start with rice. If cooked rice sits out too long, bacteria can grow. Reheating won't kill all of them. It can cause food poisoning. Next, eggs. Reheating scrambled or boiled eggs can change their proteins. This may upset your stomach or reduce nutrients. Spinach is another one. It's healthy, but reheating can turn nitrates into harmful compounds. Same goes for beets and celery. And finally, mushrooms. They spoil fast. Reheating them can cause digestive problems. To stay safe, eat leftovers cold or fresh, or reheat only once. Your health is worth the extra care.